Hello students, we are doing subject environmental studies part 2 lesson number 5. Lesson number 5 Shivaji's education. As in part 1 I have already completed the points beginning of Shivaji's education, rejuvenation of Pune, the achievements of Dadaji Konddev. Now we will do the point Shivaji's education. When Shivaji Maharaj returned to Pune, as we know, Shahaji Raje went for expedition, so he sent Shivaji Maharaj and Jijabai in Pune. So Jijabai had done supervision of Shivaji Maharaj's education. So Jijabai have done supervision of Shivaji Maharaj's education. So we saw that they were accompanied, means they were sent along with them, they were not alone. Along with them, eminent means famous and respected teachers was sent by Shahaji Raje. So along with them, teachers was also there. So the teachers taught him many sciences, branches of learning and languages. At that time, it was important to learn difficult languages so that they can read letters which is written in other language. For example, if the letter is written in Urdu language, they should be able to read. If it is written in English language, they should be able to read. That's why it was important to read the other languages also. Shivaji Maharaj acquired means obtain, means he got. He received the knowledge of excellent administration. Administration means how to run any activity, how to perform any activity, how to complete any task, how to run the business or office. All these things he learned. Then war tactics means use of all types of swords. He should be able to use all type of swords. Then horse riding, then fort architecture, how to build up a fort, then whether all the facilities are available or not on the fort, just like water facility. So everything he should know. So that's why knowledge was given to him. Then selection of horse for warfare and elephants. Then learn to escape from enemy territories. Enemy territory means area under enemy's rule. If he is caught in enemy's hands, then how to get escape. That further we will see how Shivaji Maharaj have escaped from the enemies. In the further lessons we will see. Now many others things was learned by Shivaji Maharaj. By looking all these things, Jijabai was pleased. Pleased means she was satisfied. And she just thought that now her dream of Swaraj will come true. Now the next point we will see what Veermata Jijabai taught Shivaji. So Jijabai was no ordinary woman. She was not an ordinary woman. She was daughter of mighty. Mighty means she was having great power, strength. He was a Sardar. Now who was he? He was a Sardar, Lakhujirao Jadhav, and she was also wife of brave and valiant Shahaji Raje. Now from her childhood she received the knowledge from her ancestors. Ancestors means parents, grandparents. Then she is the witness, means she have seen everything. The confluence means meeting of the martial traditions, means all the rules and regulations, customs of the Jadavs and Bhosles. She know everything, all rules and regulations. So she know everything. From her bitter experience, means she got experience from her childhood. Whatever she have seen as a daughter, as a wife from the early age, she knows very well that how much a Maratha Sardar displayed Displayed means shows valor. Valor means great courage. It is not appreciated means it does not have any respect or any value in the court of the sultans. As we know that Lakhuji Rao Jadhav has been murdered in the open court, she had valiantly, with courage, faced the shock at the instigation of Nizam Shah. Now, after all these things, she had resolved, means she now decided that her son Shivaji would never be engaged. Never be engaged means he will never be busy in the services of others. He will never do the services of others, because how much a Maratha Sardar does any hard work, he does not have any value in the court of the Sultan. So means she just decided that Shivaji Maharaj will never do duty for others. He would establish, means he would set up his own rule for his own people, Swaraj. She was bringing up Shivaji, means growing up Shivaji Maharaj with that idol, means that perfectness. Now, the people living in Mawal region were called Mawlas. They were very loyal, they were very hard working, and they were quick footed. Quick footed means moving rapidly, very quick in their work. No one could surpass them. Surpass them means could be better than them. In hardiness, hardiness means they were able to suffer the difficult conditions, means they were very, very brave, but they were harassed, stressed, a lot of trouble, and trouble which was given by the Sultan's rule. Too much problem they used to face. The armies of Sultan used to plunder. Plunder means steal goods from a person, from their villages, forcing the people to abandon their places. Abandon their places means leave their places. Nobody cared for them. So Shivaji Maharaj yearned means he have intense feeling to do something for my people, to remove them from all these problems, to do something for the poor, miserable people. He decided to set up his own rules, that was Swaraj. On returning home, Shivaji would talk about all these things to his mother. Jizabai would say that Shobha Bhosles means your father's family, ancestors, Purvaj, is from Sri Ram Chandra. As we know that in Ramayana, in that we have seen that Rama killed Ravan and made his people happy. The ancestor of Jadhav, ancestors means parents, grandparents. As your mother is from Shri Krishna, means ancestors of Jadhav is Shri Krishna. Shri Krishna have killed Kans and saved his people. So you are a descendant. Descendant means Vanshaj, successor from both the families. So you can also destroy the wicked. Wicked means the bad people. And you make your subjects means praja, people, happy. These words of Jizabai were a source of inspiration for him. Inspiration means creativity in his mind. He created many things in his mind from her words. From his childhood, he was listening and learning stories of brave persons like Rama, Krishna, Bhim, Arjun. He thought of them all the time in sleep and when he was awake. He felt that I have decided that he must fight against injustice as they did, and like them destroy the wicked. Wicked means evil, wrong, bad things, and bring happiness to his subjects. Subjects means praja, people. He thought to become courageous and brave like these heroes. Now the next point, the new regime of Shivaji. Regime means a system or ordered way of doing things, means the way of doing things. Now in Pune Jagir, the new regime of Shivaji means a new system began under the guidance of Jizabai. Shahaji Raje made preparations for this. When Shahaji Raje sent Shivaji from Bangalore to Pune, he sent with them very powerful and prestigious means reputed, respected people with him. They were Samraj Nilkanta Peshwe, Balkrishna Hanumante Muzumdar, Mankoji Dahatonde Sarnobat, Raghunath Ballal Sabnis, Sonopant Dabir. These were all able men set up an independent kingdom. Shahaji Raje specially deputed means appointed in Pune to all these people to help Shivaji Maharaj to govern his Jagir efficiently. Efficiently means in a well organized way, properly. With their help, Shivaji Maharaj began to administer. Administer means manage, control, direct his Jagir to attain the people's grievances. Grievances means injustice done with the people. Those who inflicted injustice means the pain given to Rayat means farmers, were punished. Now in this way Shahaji Raje's Jagir was transforming now. Now the Mawlas got a glimpse means sight, jhalak of the future Swarajya. Now they thought that yes, some changes can happen, and now may the Swaraj develop. It was just like the dawn of Swaraj. Dawn means in the morning before we see sun rays, some light we can see in the sky, that is dawn, bhor. Now next point we will see Shivaji's marriage. In those days people married at a very early age, means in small age. So Jizamata said that we should also get Shivba married now. So they searched a suitable bride. So Jizabai found a suitable girl. Her name was Saibai. Saibai came from the Nimbalkar family of Fulton, and thus the marriage of Shivaji Maharaj and Saibai was celebrated with great splendor. Splendor means excellent, great, admirable way. In this way, these points we have seen in Shivaji Maharaj's education. Thank you.